There is a reason Korean women have been winning the skin conversation for decades. And it is not genetics. It is not some exclusive ingredient that only exists in Seoul. It is not a 10-step routine that takes an hour every morning. It is a philosophy. And once you understand that philosophy, you will never look at skincare the same way again. Korean skincare is built around one central idea: skin health over skin coverage. Instead of covering problems, you solve them. Instead of hiding dullness, you hydrate until the glow comes naturally. Instead of layering makeup over dry patches, you feed your skin so the patches never form. Glass skin is the result of that philosophy taken to its fullest expression. And the reason it looks so stunning, so clear, so lit from within is not because those women are using 50 products. Most Korean glass skin routines for beginners are genuinely simple. 3 to 5 steps. Affordable ingredients. Just done consistently and done correctly. Today on Glow Up Secrets, we are doing the full Korean glass skin breakdown for beginners. The actual products, the philosophy behind them, and the specific routine for your skin type. Because what works for oily skin is not the same as what works for dry skin. And one of the biggest reasons people give up on skincare routines is that they start with something that was not built for them in the first place. By the end of this video, you will have your own Korean glass skin starter routine, built for your skin, ready to use tonight. Stay with me. The Korean glass skin philosophy, what makes it different? Before we touch a single product, I want you to understand how Korean skincare thinks differently. Because this is the piece that actually changes your results. Western skincare for a long time was built around treatment. You break out, so you buy an acne treatment. Your skin gets dry, so you buy a moisturizer. You see a dark spot, so you buy a fading serum. Each product is a response to a problem that already exists. Korean skincare flips that entirely. The whole approach is about maintaining skin health so consistently that most of those problems never develop in the first place. You are not waiting for something to go wrong and then fixing it. You are creating an environment where your skin has everything it needs to function at its best every single day. This is why hydration is at the absolute core of Korean skincare. Not moisturization. Hydration. Water content. Because skin that is deeply hydrated from the inside out regulates oil better, heals faster, is less reactive, produces less inflammation, fades marks quicker, and reflects light in that luminous, glassy way that everyone is chasing. The second big difference is the layering approach. Korean skincare applies products from the thinnest texture to the thickest. You start with something watery that penetrates deeply, then you build up to thicker products that seal everything in. This is not complicated. It is just logical. And it is the reason Korean routines feel so comfortable on the skin, because nothing is ever competing with something else or sitting on top of a layer it cannot absorb through. The third difference is gentleness. Korean skincare philosophy does not believe in attacking your skin to get results. No harsh stripping cleansers. No aggressive scrubs. No overloading with actives that irritate and inflame. The idea is that a healthy skin barrier is your biggest asset, and every product you use should either protect it or build it. Never damage it. These 3 things, hydration first, thin to thick layering, and consistent gentleness, are what glass skin is actually built on. Not a specific brand, not a specific ingredient. A way of treating your skin every day that over time produces results that no single product ever could. The core products of a Korean glass skin routine. Now let us talk about the actual products. I am going to walk you through each category, what it does, what to look for when buying, and why it matters for glass skin specifically. The double cleanser. This is the most distinctly Korean skincare concept, and the one that makes the biggest immediate difference. Double cleansing means 2 cleansers in one routine. An oil-based cleanser first, then a water-based cleanser second. The oil cleanser dissolves everything on your skin that is oil-soluble. Sunscreen, sebum, makeup, pollution, all of it. No water-based cleanser can fully break down these things because oil and water do not mix. This is why washing your face with only a foaming cleanser and finding your skin still breaking out is so common. The residue is still there. The water-based cleanser follows to remove any remaining water-soluble debris and the residue from the oil cleanse itself. The result is skin that is genuinely, deeply clean without being stripped. For glass skin, this matters because blocked pores and product residue both dull the skin's surface and prevent your subsequent products from absorbing properly. the hydrating toner or essence. This is the heart of Korean skincare and the most misunderstood product in the Western market. A Korean hydrating toner is nothing like the astringent toners that were popular in the 90s. It is essentially a first layer of lightweight hydration applied to freshly cleansed damp skin to prepare everything that comes after it to absorb better and work deeper. Look for toners containing hyaluronic acid, glycerin, beta-glucan, or fermented ingredients. Fermented ingredients, things like fermented rice water, galactomyces, or bifida, are specifically associated with Korean glass skin because they have been shown to brighten, smooth, and strengthen the barrier simultaneously. The serum. Your serum is where targeted treatment lives. For glass skin in particular, you want a serum focused on hydration and brightening. Hyaluronic acid serums deliver deep, layered moisture. Niacinamide serums even out skin tone and strengthen the barrier. Vitamin C serums brighten and protect. For beginners, a combination serum that addresses 2 or more of these at once keeps your routine simple without sacrificing results. The sheet mask. You will not use this daily, but it belongs in your glass skin toolkit. A sheet mask is an intensified delivery system. It sits on your skin for 15 to 20 minutes and drives a concentrated dose of hydrating and brightening ingredients deeper than a regular application could. Used 2 to 3 times a week, it accelerates your results significantly. For glass skin specifically, look for sheet masks with snail mucin, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, or vitamin C. Snail mucin deserves its own moment here because it is one of the most uniquely Korean ingredients in mainstream skincare. It contains growth factors, glycoproteins, and hyaluronic acid naturally, and it improves skin texture, hydration, and healing simultaneously. The moisturizer. Your moisturizer seals in every layer you have built underneath it. For glass skin, you want something that creates a smooth, slightly dewy finish without heaviness. Gel creams and water cream textures are particularly popular in Korean skincare for this reason. They hydrate without creating a thick film. Sunscreen. Korean sunscreens have a reputation for being the best in the world, and it is not undeserved. They tend to have lighter textures, more cosmetically elegant finishes, and often contain additional skincare benefits like hydration and brightening. For glass skin, they are essential because UV damage is the #1 thing that destroys that clear, even-toned, luminous look over time. The beginner glass skin routine, universal base. Before we get into the skin type-specific sections, I want to give you the universal base routine. These are the steps that work for everyone regardless of skin type. You will personalize the products within each step, but the structure stays the same. Morning routine. Step 1 is a gentle water-based cleanser. In the morning, you do not need the full double cleanse unless you wore products overnight. A single gentle cleanse with lukewarm water is enough to remove overnight product residue without stripping your freshly restored barrier. Step 2 is your hydrating toner. Apply to slightly damp skin using the palm pressing method. Pour into your palms. Press both palms flat to your face in sections and hold. This drives the product in rather than spreading it on the surface. Step 3 is your serum. 2 to 3 drops warmed between fingertips and pressed in with the same palm pressing technique. Let it absorb for 60 seconds before your next layer. Step 4 is your moisturizer. Applied while the serum is still slightly damp on your skin. Press it in across your face and neck. Step 5 is your sunscreen. SPF 50 every morning, every day, regardless of weather. This is non-negotiable in a Korean glass skin routine. Evening routine. Step 1 is your oil cleanser. Massage into dry skin to dissolve sunscreen and the day's buildup. Emulsify with water and rinse. Step 2 is your water-based cleanser. Gentle and thorough. Pat dry. Step 3 is your hydrating toner. Same technique as the morning. You can layer it twice on dry days. Step 4 is your sheet mask or serum. On sheet mask nights, 20 minutes, then press the remaining essence in. On regular nights, your serum of choice. Step 5 is your eye cream if you use one. Ring finger, gentle tapping along the orbital bone. Step 6 is your moisturizer. Generous application. Neck included. Optional final step. A sleeping mask 2 to 3 nights a week as an occlusive seal over everything. The glass skin routine for oily skin. If you have oily skin and the idea of a hydration-focused routine sounds counterintuitive, I need you to let go of that resistance right now. Oily skin is almost always also dehydrated skin. And when skin is dehydrated, it produces more oil to compensate. You are not producing too much oil because your skin is naturally oily in a problematic way. Your skin is producing oil because it is trying to make up for the water it is not getting. The solution is hydration, not oil removal. Here is your Korean glass skin routine built specifically for oily skin. For your cleanser, use a gentle low pH gel or foam cleanser that cleans thoroughly without stripping. Stripping your skin sends it into oil overdrive. Clean skin should feel fresh, not tight. For your toner, use a lightweight watery essence with niacinamide and glycerin. Niacinamide is particularly powerful for oily skin because it regulates sebum production while strengthening the barrier. Centella-based lightweight essences work beautifully for oily skin types. For your serum, use a niacinamide-forward serum or a watery hyaluronic acid serum. The goal is to flood your skin with water-based hydration so it stops overcompensating with oil. For your moisturizer, use a gel cream or water gel texture. Not a rich cream, not a balm. Something that absorbs immediately and leaves a matte to natural finish. For your sunscreen, use a mattifying chemical SPF or a lightweight gel SPF that does not leave your skin looking greasy by mid-morning. For sheet masks, use hydrating but oil-controlling options. Centella, green tea, and niacinamide masks work particularly well. The glass skin look on oily skin is absolutely achievable. The skin becomes clear, pores appear smaller because they are no longer congested, and the glow is natural rather than greasy. The glass skin routine for dry skin. Dry skin and glass skin might sound like opposites. Glass skin is plump and dewy and glowing. Dry skin is tight, dull, sometimes flaky. But dry skin actually has an advantage here. It is typically less prone to congestion, large pores, and breakouts. With the right products, it transforms beautifully into that glass skin look because once it is truly nourished, it glows more dramatically than any other skin type. Here is your Korean glass skin routine for dry skin. For your cleanser, use a cream cleanser or cleansing balm as your morning cleanse. Milk and cream textures clean thoroughly without touching the lipid layer your skin is already low on. In the evening, do the full double cleanse with your oil cleanser followed by a cream second cleanser. For your toner, layer it. Apply your hydrating toner twice in the morning and twice at night. This is the essence of the Korean 7-skin method, and for dry skin, it genuinely transforms the base everything else builds on. Look for glycerin-rich, ceramide-boosted toners. For your serum, use a rich hydrating serum with multiple weights of hyaluronic acid, ceramides, or a snail mucin-based serum. Snail mucin is naturally rich in the exact compounds dry skin needs, including growth factors, glycoproteins, and hyaluronic acid. For your moisturizer, use a rich cream texture. For very dry skin, sleeping mask-type moisturizers that balance emollient and occlusive content work beautifully as a daily moisturizer. For your sunscreen, use a hydrating SPF with skincare benefits. Many Korean brands make sunscreens that genuinely hydrate while protecting. For sheet masks, use collagen, ceramide, or snail mucin-based sheet masks. Use 3 to 4 times a week. Dry skin responds to sheet masks faster and more dramatically than any other skin type. The glass skin routine for combination skin. Combination skin is probably the most common skin type and the one that causes the most confusion because it does not fit neatly into one category. Your T-zone, the forehead, nose, and chin, produces more oil than your cheeks and jawline, which can be perfectly balanced or even slightly dry. This means the one-size-fits-all approach often makes part of your face worse. Here is how you approach Korean glass skin with combination skin. Your cleansing strategy is a gentle double cleanse at night and a single gentle cleanse in the morning. Your cleanser should be a low pH gel that does not strip. For your toner, use a hydrating toner with both niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. This combination covers both territories. Apply slightly more to your drier areas using the palm pressing method. For your serum, a niacinamide serum works beautifully for combination skin because it addresses the oilier zones while also strengthening the barrier across the drier areas. For your moisturizer, use a lightweight gel cream that hydrates your dry zones without making your oily zones worse. If your skin types are dramatically different, you can spot apply a richer cream to your drier cheeks and keep the lighter texture on your T-zone. For sunscreen, A lightweight hybrid SPF with both hydrating and matte finish properties works well. For sheet masks, alternate between hydrating masks for the dry zones and calming oil control masks for the T-zone. The glass skin routine for sensitive skin. Sensitive skin needs Korean skincare more than any other skin type, and ironically, it is the skin type most likely to be intimidated by it. But Korean skincare's core principles of gentleness, hydration, and barrier building are literally the prescription for sensitive skin. For sensitive skin, the approach is simple. Short ingredient lists. No fragrance. No essential oils. No high percentage actives until the barrier is strong. Build your foundation first, and your skin will become less sensitive over time as your barrier strengthens. Your cleanser should be the gentlest cream or milk formula you can find. Low pH gentle options work beautifully. Your toner should contain Centella Asiatica or Cica. This is one of the most powerful soothing ingredients in Korean skincare. It calms redness, repairs barrier damage, and reduces the reactive threshold of the skin over time. Your serum for sensitive skin should be a single ingredient or minimal ingredient formula. A pure hyaluronic acid serum or a Centella-based ampoule. Nothing with fragrance. Nothing with a long active ingredient list until your skin is stronger. Your moisturizer should be a gentle barrier supporting cream with ceramides and nothing irritating. Your sunscreen needs particular attention because sensitive skin often reacts to chemical UV filters. A mineral SPF with zinc oxide may sit better. Test it first and reapply carefully. Sheet masks for sensitive skin must be fragrance-free. Check the ingredient list before purchasing. Even a mask marketed as soothing can contain fragrance or essential oils that trigger reactive skin. Over 6 to 8 weeks of this gentle, consistent approach, your skin barrier will rebuild, your sensitivity will decrease, and the glass skin glow will start to show through. Here is what I want you to leave with today. Korean glass skin is not a trend you chase. It is a system you build. And the beauty of it is that the system is flexible enough to meet your skin exactly where it is and take it exactly where you want it to go. You now have your base routine. You have your skin type specific personalization. You have the philosophy that makes it all work. What you do with this tonight and tomorrow morning and every day after that is what creates glass skin. Give it 8 to 12 weeks. One consistent routine. Your skin type version. Products that are right for you. If this video was what you needed, hit that like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel reach more women who need this kind of education. Subscribe to Glow Up Secrets because every single week we are here talking real skincare for real women. No gatekeeping, just honest content. Drop a comment and tell me which skin type section spoke to you most. I read every one. See you next time.